Here's me wanting to make a decent boat. Very epic boat. And this is also me looking at how trashy my edits are. We're not talking about that. So now, all I wanted to do is just get this over with, because I don't think anyone's gonna want to watch, a speed or like a very slow-paced thing. I'm not, doing that. And the funny thing is, it looks so seamless here, but the amount of times I've made when I'm, doing this, it took 20 minutes, not even 30, to do. And then this guy showed up. I had a feeling that he was gonna, try to get me. So, bye. Anyways. And here's me just filling in the thing, One Piece. I'm definitely gonna make a One Piece joke out of that, but we're not. Then here I am, being lazy and not, what's it called? Using the thing I have, the, fast feature here, because I could have made this a lot faster. Yeah, we're not talking about that. This is my country. I mean, wait, no, it's no, it's my edit. It's mine, all mine. Yeah, yeah. Then here I go. I zoom 100 times, and then there's this guy right here. That guy just showed up, and then I got confused here on how set this entire thing up, because I was building from nothing but my imagination. Trust me, believe me on this. Then I also just kind of, and then I got so confused on this part and how to work the parts of this game, because I haven't played this game in a long time. So I ended up just speed running it and doing it, because it probably to do it. Just kidding, it took like 2. That's still pretty bad. And honestly, I had no clue what I was just doing here. This entire part took over like 2 minutes to do, so. And then all of a sudden, I had the primal urge to build something amazing. Yeah, it was a penis, but yeah, besides that. I I noticed that at this part that I didn't have the last clip of me actually flying it. So yeah. See, I kind of some of the footage got corrupted, but I figure out what happened. Yeah, I just decided to go with 2 seats in case one breaks. And yeah, I kind of don't know if I'm gonna cut or not. So yeah. See, I noticed right here that my things, my engines weren't working, so I just decided to go sicko mode and then just start flying. Yeah, this is kind of I hope this doesn't look like clickbait or something, but I mean, we will see if it works. See, once I got here, I kind of decided that this isn't really good unless there's actual destruction. Which I'm looking on this, I could tell that there was a lot of destruction happening, knowing that like what I just flew through, that it wasn't going to survive at all, and my hair somehow fell off. So yeah. But right now, looking back on this, a good chance of actually making it. But yeah, I made it. It looks like. I'm just kidding. You actually thought? No spoilers. See, I actually made it, you silly billies. So yeah, we're gonna go over here, collect this, and then I hope I ended the footage. Yeah. So yeah. Then I did this. Then I got gold. You guys will never know the pain of me recording a voiceover, only to have it be corrupted, and then do it again, and it would be corrupted in another spot, and then it just can't. So if it corrupts, yeah, goodbye, you stinky